Hi, I'm Lisa Hugo. I'm an established singer and songwriter, but you know, I'm probably now even more renowned for my voice coaching to well-known artists all around the world. I developed this series of vocal exercises because I was seeing far too many singers and aspiring singers going straight into singing without warming up their voices properly. Also, not spending enough time developing their voices. When I researched why, I found out that it was because most of the exercises that are on the market were not motivating enough or interesting enough to inspire singers into a good practice routine. So, I decided to put this series together of varied exercises with instrumental backings to help inspire you to develop and work on your voice. In 10 short exercises, we cover everything from breathing and stamina to resonance and breath extension, vowel placement, range extension, flexibility, agility, control, and runs. Some of the exercises are fairly fast and they work through a pretty decent range. So they are really designed for the singers who can already use their voices confidently through their entire range. There are demo versions with instructions on how to perform every exercise. And then you can download all of the exercises with instructions, with female guide, with male guide, and then just with the backing track, so that you can confidently take all the exercises to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click below to get working on your voice today.